see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Yung medyo matigas ayok. No, I didn't. I said, oh, tingnan nyo, wala kumikedan. So, ganito. Nahanap ko, no, that's a fruit box. Eh?
I can put made of plastic.
Oh, guys, you have... Good morning, guys! Ayan na yung breakfast ni Holly, yung bagong binili namin kahapon. Yeah. Yung Messi what the Baba? Messi what? Monkey. Say good morning. Oy. Baba, good morning. Say good morning.
Mom.
Yeah. Bumili ulit si Jan na border watch. Kasi alam niyo ba ang ginawa ni Sak? Kumain si Sak kahapon, 'di ba? Yung dinner namin is ano ba 'yon? Yung pork, may oil, 'di ba? Dinilaan niya yung eto niya and then ginanon niya si Kuya, tinan niyo. Mayroon si Kuyang black eye dyan. Kaya sabi ko, hindi ko ito i-film na ganito. So, binilan ako ngayong umaga ni Jan na another border watch. Hanapin natin si Kuya dito. Ito talaga si Sak. Ano to si Sak eh? Pilyo yun si Sak eh. Where is it, Han? Ah, akin na nga lang. Oh, watch this one. Oh, that's the old one. Ito pala yung bago. Where is it, Kuya? Nakabis na to. No, I think it's in the small. In here? Here. Ayan, gugupitin natin yan. Kasi si Sak, pero mamaya na. Pilyo to si Sak eh. Tawa siya ng tawa nung dinagyan niya ng laway. Ha?
That quitted on that.
I know. Tawa siya ng tawa nung nakita niya si Kuya niya may black eye na dyan. Oh. So, yan. And good morning. Gagawin ko na yung kanilang baon. Lunch nila. Ang lakahan. It's too loud. Nanonood si Jana. What are you watching? Nasa, ano ba, cellphone niya. Ang lakas. Ito yung cheese, butter. Gagawin ko sila ng lunch. Ang lunch nila ay ham. And si Kuya, ayaw niya, ito yung lunch box nila. Sabi ni Kuya, gusto niya raw itry. Yung binili natin kahapon na para sa lunch order nila. Ito ba? Kasi, yung classmate daw niya, ganyan daw yung ginagamit. Sabi ko, mas okay nga to eh. Siguro, tamad si Kuya maglagay sa ano. Ibalik ba sa bag? Kasi bulky daw. Meron siyang lunch bag din. Kuya, where's your lunch bag? Okay, wait daw. Meron siya, pero sabi niya, itry niya daw to. So, sabi ko, sige. So, eto na yung sliced bread and yung ano pa pala, sauce. So, ganito yung tsura ng lunch ng mga bata. 3 ham and may cheese and then meron na rin dyan na tomato sauce sa ilalim and eto din. Itatakip ko lang yan ng ganyan. And si Holly andito. Dinahatiin ko siya sa 2 o kaya sa 4. Pero ngayon siguro sa 2 lang. Hinati ko lang sa 2 and yeah, ganyan. Simple lang yung lunch nila ngayon. So, eto. Ganito na. So, etong gusto ni Kuya.
The bread.
You're welcome.
The bread.
And same kay Sak. And gumaya na rin si Sak. Sak! Where do you want me to put yours? Here or here? Ah, diba? Gaya-gaya na rin siya kay Kuya. Yeah, I will, honey. And hinati ko rin sa 2. Saki.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome. See you, Kuya. Mama. Listen and learn. How about you?
What's this?
Oh, ayaw nila nga itong gamitin. Oh, mayroon silang... Oh, diba? Ah, mayroon si Sak. Yung kay Sak, West Coast. Cover your thing, Naka. Si Daddy, nagsabing see you. Nahiya siya. Ano kasi siya, lahat ng bato dala niya. Baba, cover your thing. See you. See you. Holly, how about Holly? You forgot Holly. See ya. Excited tong isa kasi yung daddy niya. Where's your shoes?
I also like Barbie.
Oh, gusto niyang buksan yung Barbie kasi ilang buwan na raw to dito. Nakatambak lang dyan. Si Jan sabi niya dyan, buksan niya raw.
I like Barbie.
Oh, look at all the dolls, Baba.
Another kalat. Oh, pick the watch. You have watch there.
That's not my watch.
Yes.
My dad.
And ako, ayan. Done na yung ina-upload kong vlog for today. Yes. Yung regalo yan ng family, right, Han? From the family. Nung Christmas, ngayon palang mabubuksan. Kasi nga, ang dami niya ng laruan. Ang dami niya ng kinakalat. Ayan, additional na naman to sa kalat.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ayan na. Nailabas na yung Barbie car. Baba, look. May mga luggage, backpack, purse. Look. What's that? Luggage, Baba.
It's a luggage.
Is it luggage or walkie-talkie? Luggage.
That's your bag.
Oh.
Look, Daddy.
Yeah, they're on there to keep the shoes on.
No, honey.
Hey, Daddy, you can't sit down.
That's right. May rubber shell. Alisin mo yun, Dad.
Daddy, you can't sit down.
There's a rubber, honey, in between.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go get that one, Baba. Oh, there's a hat, Baba.
I know you said, oh. You can't see.
Huh?
You can't see. Oh no, fell.
Last na yan. Yan yung friend ni Barbie. Or, sila ba lahat? Barbie? Or, let me see. Which one is Barbie? I think ayun si Barbie yung, ano, yung Blandy.
Oh no. What's up?
Ah, linalagay niya sa sasakyan.
This one's a bit, look,
What?
broken, this one.
Broken? What do you mean broken? Let me see.
Look at it. Look at the head.
No, it's alright. It's not broken.
Oh, no. Just gotta push it down.
That's right.
Oh, you gotta bend the knees like that.
Bend the knees. No, no.
No. Baba, like that.
Okay, do this, honey.
How you do mine?
Like that. Look.
Facing here so I can
Baba.
see. Look at Daddy. You have to bend.
Which one's that one drives?
Oh, he's glasses.
No, Barbie will drive, honey.
Like a in it all held out.
Bye. Daddy, another one. Daddy, another one.
Let me see the box, Baba.
Maybe this is for here.
What's that? That's tough for Daddy because that's side mirror. Ayun, nailagay na.
There.
Baba, you have to put here, Baba, at the back. At the back. Yeah, and then the other one. Lagay yung luggage. Okay. This one.
This.
What's that? Oh, maybe that's for... Mayroon siyang nahanap na isa. Baba, careful.
For the boobs.
For the boobs. Let me see. I think for the neck. Like, vest. You think? Is it like...
No.
No? Let me see.
Where you going, Baba?
I think so, yes, hon. See this?
Boom, 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 boom.
Let me see. Yay! Did you say thank you to Daddy? Struggle yung paglagay ng seatbelt. Pero ayan, nalagay ko na yung kay Barbie. And meron siya ditong ano, oh. Ayan, oh, meron ditong butas. And then pinasok ko dito. Yes, baby. Ang cute nito, guys. Hindi na sila mahuhuli kasi naka-seatbelt silang lahat. Okay, see ya!
He's going to the hotel.
Hotel?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Alright. Labas tayo kasi si Jan, linilinis niya yung car niya. Ako, hindi pa ako nakapagbihis. And yung mukha ko, pasensya nyo na, Mario Badesco to the rescue para sa mga pimples. Si Jan, naglilinis ng kanyang car kasi ito yung gagamitin namin bukas. Kasi punta kami ng Adelaide. Si Holly nandito rin, nagbihis na yun eh. Where are you, Baba? Where are you? Ayan. Tumutulong siya sa kanyang daddy niya. Where's your Where's your Barbie? Ah, they're asleep. Oh, nasa hotel, guys. Diba? Nakapag-check-in na si Barbie. Are you helping or you're playing? Do you want me to tie your hair? No, thank. No, thank. And ako, yung mga sinampay kong naulan na nung naglaba ako, tutupin ko yun. And ilalabas ko yung lulutuin namin. Lulutuin ko pala. Gusto ko sana magkaldereta kaso alis kami. Pag may tira, hindi na namin yun makakain. So, sausage, Han? Yeah, sausage na lang. Magpapakulo ako ng 10 itlog. Para ito yung aking lunch and si Holly. Hindi lahat. Hindi lahat. Kasi yung boys mamaya gusto rin nila ng merienda. So, yan yung merienda nila. Itlog na nilaga. Andito na pala si Holly. Basa siya. Baba! Stand up, Baba. What happened to you?
Dad wet me.
Huh?
Dad wet me.
Daddy wet you? Let me see. Di mo, basang-basa siya, oh. Go change, Baba.
So what can change? Kind of violet.
Okay.
There outside.
Yeah, I will dry it. Okay, go then. No, not here. Oh, the people will see you, Papa. Tindihan natin tong kandila. Ito yung pomegranate, yung scent niya. Para bumangon dito sa kusina. Maghuhugas ako ng mga pinagkainan. Kaninang almusal. Ayan, para bumangon siya. Ito yung kay Holly. And kanina pala, yung breakfast ko, hindi ko na sa inyo napakita. Kagabi, gumawa ako ng chia seed pudding na mayroong maple syrup. Then, linagyan ko siya yung binili kong mixed nuts and plum. So, yun yung breakfast ko. Mamaya, gagawa ulit ako para bukas. So, ipakita ko sa inyo. Habang naglilinis ako, ito pala yung panlinis ko sa table. At saka, doon sa kusina, itong pine oak clean. Mabango siya, apple. Sinasalin ko ito dito sa cup. Kasi ito yung tira yata ni Kuya or ni Sak. And meron pang isa. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung kinuha ni Kuya. Ito ba or ito? Meron pang mga laman. Ito kunti lang. Ayan, nalinagay ko dito. So, inumin ko to. Kasi sayang. So, pinaghalo ko na lang sila. Kasi pare-pareho naman yan pupunta sa tiyan. Hindi mo, isang baso pa to. Si Holly, meron din siya dun sa katabi niya. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. What do you have, Baba? Breakfast? Juice? Breakfast? Yes. And hindi pa rin siya tapos sa paghuhubad kila Barbie. Baba, that's enough. You should... Ay! You have to put this back, Baba.
No.
Hala ka dyan.
I can't put it on.
You can put it on back? Okay, make it sure, huh? You don't lose those clothes, huh?
So he needs it. He needs it. Look at the sun.
Sun? Sunbathing?
No, pretending it's a beach.
Ah, pretending that she's in the beach. Alright, pretending. Nagsa-sunbathing pero nakahubad. Sa ano to, Bondi Beach. Kasi nakahubad siya. Pretending. Ang imagination ni Holly, grabe. Ha? And eto pala, etong mga box na ganito, 10 cents to. Asa na ba nakalagay yun? So, iniipon namin to. Ayan guys, sinabi ko na sa inyo, diba? 5 star siya. So, healthy star siya ang rating sa kanya. Nasaan na yung 10 cents? Dito pala siya guys. Ayan 10 cents. And yung coffee ni Jan, ano din yun? 10 din yun. And yung soft drinks, yung Yakult. Kaya iniipon namin kasi marami. And pag puno na yung bin namin dun sa labas, dinadala na ni Jan sa junk shop. And nakakakolekta si Jan minsan $90, $80, diba? Marami na yun. Nililinis ni Jan yung SK. And Ito yung mga laman. Nung Christmas pa to. Meron pang, beer. And ito, hindi namin to nainom. Ito yung champagne. Tapos, meron pang Moscato. Tapos, may tatlong drinks. Tapos na si Jan maglinis sa car. And inintay ko na lang yung egg, luto na rin pala. So, magla-lunch na kami ni Holly. And yung aking mga pananim, didiligan ko to. Tingnan nyo yung aking spring onions. And yung mint, ayan. Bakit may cloud nine dito? Sinong kumain nito? Hindi ako. Sa mga bata to. Ayan, oh. So, lalago yan. Di ba pinutulan ko ito nung isang araw? Didiligan ko yan mamaya. Baba, put this in the bin, please.
Say P, please.
Okay. Please, Holly.
No, not P. Say P, please.
P, please. Thank you. May pa. Code ka pa dyan.
What is this?
Andun na si Jan. Hugasan niya yun. Jump niya si Holly. Where are you going, You going to the shop?
Nah.
No. Oh. Come on, Baba. Get inside now.
No.
Go and have a look in the bar.
Ah, you're gonna go for a drive?
Gotta go to the mountain too.
What for?
Back. Neck.
Ah, yeah.
Bleeding like shit lately.
Masakit na naman yung leg niya.
Done, ready for
Sakit yung neck niya.
weekend.
Come on, Baba.
She's flying out here. Let her
Yeah,
go.
okay.
Let's find her.
Alright. Just
You
one.
laugh.
Just one.
Why? Why you need all of them? There's heaps there.
Gusto niya, binibiro ko lang siya. Gusto niya raw ng eggs. Hard-boiled eggs.
Nah.
Ano lang ako, linoad ko lang yung mga laban sa washing. Para wala akong laban pagdating namin. Galing Adelaide. At luto niya. So, balatan ko raw si Jan ng
We did have butter.
dalawa.
Yes, boys.
I'm hungry.
Nagsilabasan yung mga
Nate.
But you're little.
sumpa. Kamukha ko kasi meron ako ngayon. Ang lalaki ng nagaharutan sila.
Hey, bub, don't forget to bring your golf stick, alright? To Adelaide.
Yes.
But where is mine? Oh,
Ito yung ano namin, lunch. Are you gonna have bread?
Sandwich.
Jelly. I want to have one too.
Yes, baby, you're gonna have some too.
On the road, you.
You get the other one, Nate.
Gawa siya
I
ng
have
sandwich
some
niya.
eggs. I am so hungry.
Duck-a-dum.
Like a dog. I'll have
Get out of it.
That's daddy. Yun na yung kita.
I'm gonna sit here.
Ha?
I'm gonna sit there.
Yeah.
And I want
Wait, ayaw pa
salad.
naman yun na may maliliit na shell. You're gonna have egg sandwich, huh?
That's mine.
This is yours, Baba, here.
I want to sit next to Daddy.
You are sitting now, Baba.
Have a look at this.
What?
Jason said if you ever come to Perth, there's a room here you can stay.
In Perth?
Yeah, and that's 600 metres from the beach.
Oh, let's go on.
It's not a real good beach, but
Let me see. It's good.
I know it is. Look at that.
Kaibigan niya yan na nasa Perth.
Is that big?
You want to go there?
Yes.
So they live there now.
Yeah, live in Perth.
Yeah.
Spreck, Ollie.
Taga
I want
di-
two,
di-
please.
kaibigan niya ni
I want two.
Two. Taga dito yan dati.
Look at that, Ollie, his little boy Ollie, bit older than
Oh,
TJ.
yeah. Oh,
He's surfing
see? How far? 8 minutes. Not far from their house.
600 metres, about here to the school way.
Ah, so it's like 2 minutes. Malapit sila sa beach.
I want two, please.
Is the weather there is always nice?
That's Australia.
Yeah.
Hey. Look at it. It's always like that.
Pupunta kasi yung friend
And I
niya
want bed.
ngayong
Mom,
weekend.
and I want bed.
Ngayong weekend. Kaso alis naman kami. Ang tagal, how many years you haven't seen them, huh?
Yeah.
Years. Ang tagal na nila. Kasi nagta-travel sila.
Hey,
Nasa
Kim.
Perth naman sila.
And I want bed, please.
Bread?
I want bed.
Gaya-gaya siya. 2 eggs din sa kanya. I have to cut. You know what,
No,
Baba?
I
You
don't
should...
want to touch.
Bahala ka.
I can't eat it.
May cold source din yan. Kaya makikita nyo, meron siyang parang cream.
Daddy, wash his hands.
Did so.
I did.
Holly girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ako, mag-avocado ako. This is mine and eggs. And may ininit pala akong ano. Ininit ko yung tirang adobo sa asin dito sa air fryer. So, kain muna kami ng lunch. Kain. Ito yung avocado, guys. Oh, maliit. Tamang
I want
tama.
that one like that. And don't touch the other one.
No, I'm not gonna touch. Say kain, Baba.
Touch mine.
You said don't touch.
No, don't touch that one.
You should put mayonnaise on. A little bit of mayonnaise. Kinukopya niya talaga na.
Mom, touch it.
I did.
Touch that one. Okay. Can I pepper? What's on?
Egg sandwich siya. Can you? Oh, yes. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Parang matigas pa yun. Ito yung binili ko nung nag-grocery ako na kasama yung boys yata. Matigas pa.
I like that.
What's that?
Pepper.
Pepper. So we should go in person, I think. When is the next holiday?
It's right near the two Whistling golf courses.
Oh, see? May golf course, guys, so alams na. When is the next holiday for the kids? When's the next holiday?
Oh.
Not April. Let's go hunt. Easter hunt.
No.
Why?
No, we're still fishing all that Easter.
This is you're not fishing now. I thought it's done.
I don't know yet. July, shit here.
July. Okay. Kasi hindi pa siya tapos mag-fishing, di ba?
That's enough, Holly, because we get too much.
Yeah, it's gonna be salty, Baba. Kasi nag-stop lang sila, pero hindi pa naman tapos yung fishing. Nag-stop lang sila dahil sa... Hindi niya pa tapos yung quota niya. Lahat sila. Sinihintay lang nila yung signal na pwede na ulit sila mag-fishing.
Yeah, well, I could be chartering on Easter and that.
Are you? May charter pa lang siya. I thought you already been booked for March. Right? March?
No.
From Melbourne? What about...
Maybe right, Perth. I like Perth.
I haven't been there,
Beautiful
huh?
place.
You've been there, right?
Mm.
Punta kami ng Perth. Are you, Baba, you coming?
We'll fly.
We're flying. We're not gonna drive. How many? 4 days?
Of nothing. Desert.
Desert.
There's one road there. It's 900.
Straight?
Dead straight.
Are we
You
gonna...
gotta watch out for cows, camels.
Oh, so you don't want to drive?
No.
Magpo-fly. I think you want to drive on before.
Yeah.
I think you want to drive before.
Long way. That's a long way.
My son?
No.
Yes.
No? Where's here? This one. Oh, naubos niyo yung isang egg. Tapos na yung mag-ama kumain, and eto yung lunch ko. Mayroon akong 2 eggs, and eto yung adobo sa asin na ininit ko sa air fryer. And eto, isang avocado. Kaso yung avocado medyo matigas. Hindi medyo matigas pa siya. Hindi siya ganun kasarap. And eto yung mga tira-tira nilang juice. And nanunood ako. Ka-start ko lang nito. Eto yung Touch Your Heart. Yung mga nagtatanong kung saan ako nanonood ng K-drama sa Drama Nice. And yeah, kaumpisa pa lang nito, episode 1. So, kain muna ako, guys, and manunod habang kumakain. Kain. Alis si Jan, magsasampay din naman ako. Punta na siya dun sa, ano niya.
To the chiropractor.
Ipapano niya yung leg niya. Kiss me, yung arty-arty nito. Okay, let's go. Help mommy.
Kiss mommy.
Already.
See ya.
See ya, Daddy. I love you.
Bye, come on. Magsasampay tayo.
Let's help mommy.
Magsasampay muna ako, and yung isa, nagkakalat doon. Tingnan niyo yung kalat niya. Mamaya, linisin ko yan. Come on. Help mommy. Come on.
I'm having my baby outside.
Okay, let's go.
He's going in the jacket.
Siya ang taga-abot nitong mga nilabhan ko. Come on. Oops! Help, mommy!
Oh,
Help! This one. This one. Hold this one. Okay, let's go. Come on. And then, ayan, yung trolley niya. Ang ganda ng weather kasi hindi malamig. Yes?
climb up there.
No, he's not gonna climb there now. Tinuturo niya yung sampayan. Si Kuya Sak.
With that.
No, Baba. Okay, let's go sampay now. Ang init sa labas. Eh, nakalimutan ko yung sombrero ko. So, nag-sunscreen naman ako, pero dapat nag-sombrero ako habang nagsasampay. Magtutupi siguro ako dito. Dito na lang siguro magtupi. Tingnan ko, or sa kwarto ng mga boys. Dito ako magtutupi, and kunin ko yung iPad para manood ko ng Korean habang nagtutupi ako. Yung pinapanood ko kanina, maganda. Hindi ko pa tapos yung first episode. Ito na si Holly. Palit ako ng memory card kasi full na yung memory card. Ayan na si Holly.
See you, mommy.
See you, Baba. Oh, ang passenger niya ay si... Who's that? Baby. Tupi tayo, guys.
We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you. Ain't no holding back now, so let's go. I can't to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him. That I can't to the whole week.
Nandito na pala si Jan kanina pa, and kinuha niya yung dalawang car seat sa car para ilagay doon sa car niya kasi yung
Mommy,
car niya ang gagamitin na yung papuntang Adelaide. And uminom ako na, what's this, Baba?
coconut water.
Coconut water. Malamig, sobrang lamig, ang sarap. Ang init ngayon eh.
Why is it coconut water?
Why?
It's coconut water.
And tinutulungan niya ako. Tingnan niyo yung iba niyang tinupi. Inuulit ko pag wala siya. Kasi kanina, dito siya, hindi ko inuulit para at least alam niya, okay na lang naman yung ginagawa niya. Kaya tapos tupi niya, oh, diba? Kukunin niya na naman yan. And feeling ko, matutuyo yung mga sinampay ko ngayon kasi mainit.
Mom,
Hmm.
so
Hindi
yummy.
ko pa rin matapos-tapos. Isang oras mahigit kasi yung itong episode na to eh. Sa first episode. It's so yummy.
I just rubbing my back. It's so yummy.
It's so yummy. Okay.
He's watching you.
Who's watching me?
The camera.
The camera? Yeah, that's it. Don't bite the glass, huh?
I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to loving you.
Lapit na ako matapos, and nandito na ang aking mga estudyante. Hi, Zach! It's hot. Huh? Where's Kuya? Cover your thing now. Love you. Oh, your jumper, Baba. And feeling ko, tuyo na yung mga nandun. Yes, kasi may git isang oras na yun. Ha?
Why you put that there?
And eto, maganda to, guys. Oh, no. Oops. Oops, ano nangyari? Oops. Ay. Yan. And andyan na yung isa. Hi. Hi, Kuya. Oops.
Hi, it's a running race. The top four fastest.
Yeah.
I made
You made what?
the
You made it?
relay. Yeah, I came second.
Good job. Who's the first one?
Josh.
Josh. What year?
4.
4. You change your clothes and have some snack. Yeah, okay. Tapusin ko lang ito. Malapit na ako. Kunti na lang. Mga ano na lang. Maliliit na lang.
Never does. We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you. Ain't no holding back now, so let's go.
Tapos ka na tupin yung mga tupiin and kukunin ko yung mga sinampay ko kasi feeling ko tuyo ng mga yan. Kasi sobrang init and may hangin din. So, tuyo ng mga to. Ang ingay ng ibon. Yep, tuyo na siya. Kunin ko ng mga to. Ilagay ko muna itong mga natupi ko dito sa white basket. And eto, mga ihahanger mga yan.
Never does. We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you. Ain't no holding back now, so let's go. I can't to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him. That I can't to the whole week. I wanna get to love him.
Finally guys, ayan, tapos na ako magtupi. Ayan yung mga ibang natupi ko na kanina. And ito yung bago kong ninabhan. And ang oras is 4:42 na guys. So ililigpit ko lang to and magluluto na ako. Nakalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo kung paano ko to ginawang chia puri. Madali lang naman. Nagluluto kasi ako ng sausage doon. Then habang niluluto ko yon, ginagawa ko to. So ang linagay ko lang naman dito ay 3 tablespoon na chia seed and 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon na organic almond unsweetened. Kahit anong gatas pwede naman. And 1 tablespoon na maple syrup. So yun lang naman, minix ko. Then bukas lalagyan ko siya ng nuts at saka fruit. So yun lang, i-overnight lang to. Lagay ko na to sa ref. So haluin nyo lang ng maigi na mamix yung syrup. Then, done. Lagay ko na sa ref. And tingnan nyo na tong bata. Nagkalat na siya dito, oh. Okay. Lagay ko lang muna to sa ref. And i-check ko yung aking... Ito yung sausage, guys. Luto na yung sausages. And nagluluto ako ng sunny side up eggs. Si Jang gusto niya sa sunny side up runny yung yolks. So, ayan. Dalawa kay Jan, tig-isa yung mga bata. Ito sa mga bata muna to. And ito yung veggies nila. And yung mushroom. Ayan.
Not rice and
What?
chips. Rice and chips.
Chips.
Rice and chips.
We'll see.
sausage.
What do you want?
Sausage.
Ready na yung food nila. Ito yung kay Jan. Yung may dalawang sunny side up eggs. Ito kay Zach. And kay Holly. And kay Kuya gusto niya chips. And rice. Si Zach gusto niya rin ng chips. Gusto niya ng chips. Ayan, lagyan ko ng chips si Zach. Okay. Ready, Baba? Did you wash your hands?
Yeah. John Howard.
John Howard.
I want my
Tinatawag niya daddy niyang John Howard.
Take Max. My take Max.
This is your Zach.
Hey, I only get one. Thanks.
You're welcome, Kuya.
This sausages.
Yeah, it's a new one.
You're welcome. Ito pala yung binili ni Jen dun sa kaibigan niya na bagong bukas. So, ngayon pa lang niya matitikman. Yes. Wait. Kalimutan ko lagyan ng salt and pepper. Copycat
Please.
salt and pepper daw sa egg niya.
Thank you.
Yes. What? I forgot. Holy, sorry.
I forgot you.
I forgot yours. You're welcome. Do you have spoon, Baba? Baba, do you have a fork?
No.
Oh. Ano? You like it?
I love them sausages.
So, ito yung bagong sausages na binili niya sa
Thank you.
kaibigan niya. You're welcome, Baba. Gusto ni John. Oh, pass it to Kuya. Okay, kaya na muna sila guys. Yung akin, lulutuin ko pa. And ito yung akin, yung mushroom na may tomatoes, basil, and ito yung sauce ko, balsamic sauce.
I want some.
Oh.
Ooh.
Wait. No soy sauce.
soya sauce. No, it's not. And sila. Si Jen malapit na matapos. Si Sak, almost.
Look, I want that.
You want this?
Is that toyo?
This is not toyo. Toyo? No, it's not toyo. It looks like toyo, but it's not. It's balsamic. So, kain muna kami, guys. Kain. Tapos na siya. What did you say, ma'am?
A lot of them sausages.
You like the sausages? Gusto niya yung...
Like this.
But I don't know where is it, the butcher.
Dry.
I don't know where is it.
Hey guys.
We will close the vlog, guys. Naligo na sila. Ayan. And, hi. And ako nang next. Maliligo na si Mommy. Say good night, everyone.
Good night.
Please like.
Please subscribe.
If you haven't yet, see you on the next vlog. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Bye. Thank you. Say thank you, Baba.
Thank you.
Eh, tingnan niyo yung kanyang mukha. Nagsuklay siya. Na-brush niya yung mukha niya. Oh. Okay.
That's not wash.
Yeah.
That's not my brush.
Whose brush? Daddy's brush?
No, not my brush.
Whose brush?
Not mine. Not.
Alright, so say bye.
Not Kuya TJ. Not Kuya.
Okay.
There's no more.
No more. Okay, good night. Bye.
Oh, but this off the Barbie.
Oh, from the Barbie. Okay, bye.
Bye. Nah.